When floods hit a city, chaos ensues as thousands find themselves trapped without food, water, or electricity. Roads disappear underwater, complicating rescue efforts. It takes innovation, courage, and determination to respond in these challenging times. Marut Drones and their pilots rise to this challenge. These aren't just drones, they are lifelines navigating through submerged streets. They coordinated with Andhra Pradesh Drone Corporation to deliver essentials like food, medicine, and mainly hope, where no one else can reach. Approximately 4.15 lakh people were affected by the rains and floods, and 25 pilots were immediately deployed with 20 drones for the mission. Marut pilots are the unsung heroes who rise above challenges, especially during floods. They are the heartbeat of hope.